Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and practicality with the 2026 Benimar Tessoro T463 motorhome. A masterpiece of thoughtful design and engineering, this motorhome aims to set new standards for both comfort and usability. First, let's talk about the interior. Benimar is known for blending clever layouts with premium finishes, and the 2026 Tessoro T463 is no exception. As you step inside, you're greeted by a well-appointed living area that balances elegant aesthetics with functional design. The materials used throughout are top-tier: soft upholstery, tasteful cabinetry, and durable surfaces. The lounge includes a generous seating dinette area with swivel captain seats in the cab, a mounted TV, and large windows to flood the space with natural light. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances, including a hob, oven or microwave, sink unit, and integrated fridge-freezer. Across many Tessoro 463 models, you'll also find smart storage solutions and helpful features like pull-out drawers and overhead lockers. The bedroom features twin single beds, which can convert into a double, or a fixed double layout in some variants. While the bathroom is thoughtfully designed with a separate shower cubicle, quality fixtures, and good ventilation, delivering a fully comfortable on-the-road home experience. Now moving to the exterior, the 2026 Benimar Tessoro T463 presents as a refined coach-built motorhome. Its proportions, about 7.38 meters in length, 2.30 meters width, and 2.89 meters height, give it both presence and manageability. The bodywork uses modern composite or GRP panels, offering durability and insulation. And retractable awning provides an ideal outdoor living space, and convenient external features like barbecue and shower points, external lockers, and garage access on both sides enhance usability. Alloy wheels, a clean cab design, and tasteful paint finishes round off the exterior's visual appeal. When it comes to performance, the Tessoro T463 is built on a Ford chassis, Euro 6 compliant, with a 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine producing around 170 bhp. It is paired with a manual transmission, with some automatic options available in certain markets. Thanks to a well-tuned suspension and chassis setup, this motorhome handles highway cruising and winding roads gracefully while retaining decent maneuverability. Built-in driver aids like ABS, ESP, traction control, and optional drive assist systems help manage stability and safety. Finally, let's discuss price. The 2026 Benimar Tessoro T463 is a premium coach-built motorhome, and its pricing reflects that. In the UK market, guide pricing is around £83,995 for current Tessoro 463 models. In earlier listings, similar models were priced at £81,995, while in European markets such as Ireland, it is offered from about €112,900. The price includes the custom features, the engineered build, and all the thoughtful amenities that come standard with the Tessoro T463 range. When you choose this motorhome, you're investing not just in a vehicle, but in a lifestyle that marries practical mobility with comfort. To sum up, the 2026 Benimar Tessoro T463 is an exceptional blend of clever design, robust performance, and everyday luxury. It offers a level of comfort and sophistication rare in coach-built motorhomes without compromising on functionality. Whether you're heading out for extended travel or weekend escapes, the Tessoro T463 delivers on nearly every front. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive and motorhome excellence.